It's no secret that Airbnb has revolutionized the way people book accommodations worldwide, inspiring similar businesses like Booking.com and Vrbo. Despite competition, there is room for new entrants who can differentiate themselves. To succeed, understand your target audience, define unique value propositions, and create a working model. Identify revenue streams and set prices based on property type, location, and market demand. Prioritize minimum viable product features for user satisfaction and gather feedback to improve over time. It's critical to plan and build a scalable business model that allows for future growth from the get-go. Build a robust and flexible infrastructure that can handle growth, both in terms of increasing user traffic and increasing transaction volumes. Invest, or at least plan to invest, in technologies that enable scaling. Selecting the right tech stack is critical to making sure your Airbnb-like website platform is reliable and user-friendly. Seek guidance from experienced developers or agencies like A2 Design for selecting the right tech stack.